Welcome back. Today we are looking at a detailed look at Whirlpool 12002355 OEM French door refrigerator to usability. Whirlpool 12002355 OEM French door refrigerator temperature sensor review inches my workshop. Tools are not mere plastic and metal objects, they are extensions of intent, finely tuned instruments that demand respect, care, and exactitude. Check the video description for the updated price link. A master woodworker treats a hand plane with the same reverence a concert violinist affords their instrument. When I approach household machinery, my perspective remains unaltered. A refrigerator is not just a cold box sitting inches the kitchen corner. It is a complex ecosystem of thermodynamics, electrical impulses, and fluid dynamics designed to preserve live sustenances. When the thermal heart of a high-end Whirlpool smart French door refrigerator begins to falter, it strikes a discordant note across the entire appliance. That is precisely why the Whirlpool 12002355 OEM French door refrigerator temperature sensor commands our deepest attention. For those who view maintenance as an art form, utilizing original equipment manufacturer OEM components is non-negotiable. Aftermarket substitutes are like cheap strings on a Stradivarius. They might produce a sound, but the resonance, harmonic balance, and reliability are fundamentally flawed. This review dives deep into the anatomy, installation, performance, and craftsmanship behind the Whirlpool 12002355 sensor, evaluating whether it meets the stringent standards of a true craftsman. If you are looking to optimize your broader home utility ecosystem while maintaining peak operational standards, you might also find value in exploring this related product guide, which shares a similar ethos of reliable power management and precision engineering. At first glance, a temperature sensor, often referred to as a thermistor, looks remarkably unassuming. It is a small, sealed electronic component, a silent sentinel quietly monitoring microscopic changes in resistance caused by temperature fluctuations within the refrigerator and freezer compartments. Yet, within its compact housing lies brilliant engineering. The Whirlpool 12002355 is built to exact OE specifications, ensuring seamless electrical resistance mapping with the refrigerator's central control board. When you handle the sensor, the difference between OEM and generic counterfeits becomes immediately apparent. The wire insulation is robust, rated for sub-zero freezer environments without becoming brittle or cracking over time. The waterproof casing protects the delicate semiconductor inside from moisture infiltration, defrost cycles, and frost accumulation. The realm of fine cabinetry, we speak of tight joinery. Electronics, we look for secure solder joints, moisture resistance, and precise thermal conductivity. This sensor checks every box with masterful precision. A master craftsman always evaluates the specification sheet before letting a tool touch their project. The Whirlpool 12002355 brings a suite of impressive design characteristics tailored explicitly for high-end French door refrigeration systems. Genuine OEM designation, manufactured directly by Whirlpool, ensuring 100% compatibility, factory calibration, and long-term durability. Calibrated thermistor technology provides ultra-precise temperature readings to the main control board, preventing erratic compressor cycling and inconsistent cooling. Moisture-resistant enclosure sealed housing protects internal wiring from high humidity and condensation cycles common in French door configurations. Plug-and-play integration features factory-match connectors that eliminate the need for clumsy wire splicing or soldering during installation. Optimal thermal responsiveness rapidly detects minute temperature shifts, keeping perishable foods at peak freshness and reducing food waste. Wide model versatility, designed to fit a wide selection of Whirlpool, KitchenAid, Maytag, and Genair smart French door refrigerators. Check the link in the description to get yours today.